Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 in our course. Just a heads up to start off on this one. I have made some changes to some things to try to balance the load a little bit. I hope everything is going to work right. Please let me know if there's any issues with links or anything like that. It's starting off pretty normal, how you're used to it. Preparation materials, that's where you're going to find your readings. There's not a lot of reading left in the course, so hopefully that's good news for you. So you go through that and take the reading quiz, which you should be pretty familiar with. The new thing this week is the presentation practice. So on campus, there's a presentation practice center, and the center is an area designed to help students receive more feedback. So as you can see in this course, you get feedback from your classmates, from me, and from the presentation practice center. And so what you're going to do is you're going to submit to them your speech. Now there's a couple different ways to do it. You can schedule an appointment, so if you're on campus and you want to go in and do your speech, that's definitely a way you can do it, or you can bring up a video and sit next to them, or you can do it virtually as well. Okay, so there's different ways to do it. It'll give you all the options how to set up an online appointment, or if you want to do an on-campus appointment. Even if you're on campus, you can do an online appointment. It's totally up to you. The one thing is you want to do this early in the week so you can get your feedback by the end of the week. So they'll just give you some helpful tips and everything as you go. So once you get that feedback, you'll just need to submit it. So it's just the proof that you did the assignment, and I hope it's helpful. So you'll just kind of upload here the feedback that you received, and you'll be able to get credit for it. And then you got your participation quiz that you have every week. So that's really the only new thing this week. Remember, though, I'm giving you this week to really work on your persuasive speech, because it'll be due Wednesday, week 7, so not too far away. So be working on that, prepare it. You're welcome to record it this week if you want to. Have your outline ready to go, everything. So this is just to give you a little breather, but I don't want you to take too much time off because it's going to hit again in week 7. So anyways, if there's any questions, please go ahead and let me know.